Yeah. Nah, that's crazy. Got 14%. I'm gonna try to use this as much as I could. But we're gonna do a Skyline trunk trim tutorial. Even though I don't even know how to do it, but we're gonna figure it out. And yeah, man, stay tuned. Why is bro R Alright, man. So basically, you gotta take an 8, unclip these screws, or loose these tight, loose these. Take these out. So this is connected to trunk trim. All these down here. It's like 4 though, right? I think it's 4 of them. Actually, no, we might it's going super good. So, now, go back up. Alright, bet. So yeah, I gotta unclip everything in here, the mirrors, on there, and the lights. It's just like, what the fuck?
I know.
Nah, push it out or not?
Oh, no, it's 2.
Oh, that one, okay. Alright, so if you have a 2017 Q50, you gotta unscrew that for the camera. You know what I'm saying? Is this even recorded, bro? I don't. That shit not even on no more, bro. It's not even a bro. Alright, yeah. So unscrew these 2, and boom, we got the camera out now.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, but then you just take a bulb out, right?
Yeah. I mean, that's what's stuff.
Yo, see, Daniel is dead ass engineer of this shit. I'm not. Yeah, it's just, okay, yeah, you literally just take it out like that, right? Let's see how.
Oh, we freestyle.
I mean, bro, like, there's literally no tutorial on this at all.
Yeah, no, that is.
So now, can you imagine it doesn't fit?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you have to literally manually break through.
Back up.
Are we R forming? I think we're R forming. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. When it comes to like doing manual labor, I think I'm cooked, bro. Like for my wife.
Shut your lame ass up.
Yeah, bro. I feel like every time I'm filming this car, my shit's always dirty. Why is it dirty right now? Got purple over it. Yeah. Think about how many screws you got. If there's one missing screw, it shouldn't be that much.
Yeah. Now, if there's one missing, we'll just put 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle.
Exactly. Oh, actually, it worked. It did work.
Sometimes you gotta freestyle it.
Who made these, bro? This shit was made in like 30 years ago.
No.
Swear. Bro, it's very interesting that this was not in any tutorial, but you gotta literally put in all these screws to tighten these. Like, it's not even just clips. They're just like mad random screws with blocks on it, bro. I've never seen that. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, that's crazy. Low-key forgot to end the video yesterday, but basically, just to show you guys where the wiring is on my boy's Q50. Once you have that wire hanging down, it's just a plug-in, and he basically unplugged, I think it was, man, let me see which one it was. Oh, man. It was one of these, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You're gonna have to experiment, or I'm gonna try to ask him and see in the next video. But basically, yeah, I'm gonna try to ask him and then see if I can put it in the comment section of which one he did unplug. But he basically unplugged one of these and ended up hooking everything up. So, you know, his brake lights were working, tail lights were working, and the Skyline trunk trim was lit up. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video though. Hope you guys enjoy. I don't know where I am right now. I'm on this nice ass block with like cherry blossoms everywhere, but man, I gotta start making some content for spring season. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment below. Do have some things coming for this car soon. But yeah, man, I'll catch you on the next vid. Peace.